Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Calendly to your HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Calendly to HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that managing your schedule and also sharing information for scheduled appointments is important to keep your schedule on track. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Calendly to HoneyBook, here on the top menu, you're going to click on Tools. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Integrations. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to look for the Calendly logo and then click on Connect. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. So they let you know if you connect your Calendly, you can manage availability, schedule, and sync meetings with HoneyBook. So you want to click on Connect. Okay, quick second later, Calendly is going to open up the browser, and they're going to ask if you're okay connecting HoneyBook to your Calendly. Go ahead and click on Connect to Calendly. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes, and as you can see right here, your Calendly is now connected. Going to show the email address associated with your Calendly account here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Calendly account to your HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.